Native, please share wide and far. We need to correct this native displacement narrative word. There is no xenophobia in SA. Let us repeat. There has never been xenophobia in SA. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. Please take the time to watch previous clips on this matter. Let us try explain. Pre-democracy there was a thing called black-on-black violence. Nonsense term created by apartheid. Let us correct history. There was never such a thing. What happened was, apartheid and its black collaborators fought and killed many natives who wanted freedom. There is not one single black native that killed another black native because they were black. It was civil uprising for the liberation of the native, putting an end to apartheid. The collaborators/Bantustan leaders willing to kill their own native people so they can retain benefits and privileges that came from oppressing their own natives. Now this propaganda, narrative peddling found its presence in international media. International media supported the apartheid narrative. For example, how do we? Apartheid. Give freedom to people who are blood hungry and kill for fun. The victim became the villain. Today we have the word xenophobia. SA natives want integration into land and economy. Natives want all foreigners sold citizenship by corrupt ANC to go back home. Asian, Europeans, Americans, Africans, etc. Until natives are integrated into country. Natives, you have been infiltrated/displaced. Today media and the new collaborators/Ascaris are peddling xenophobia nonsense. International media is again playing its role like how it supported apartheid. They simply do not want to hear what the natives want. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. Thandi here. Awesome, have a great one.